Hey everybody out there in WireCare land, this is Tony Prust from Analog Motorcycles, and today I'd like to highlight my favorite product by far from the WireCare lineup. It is the Techflex braided sleeving. It comes in tons and tons of different versions. This is some self-wrap braiding, so it actually opens up, so if you can't get sleeving around something, you got that option. There's stainless steel, brass, clean cut. We got FR, which is flame retardant. And every bike that we do, we rewire them, and when I do that, I like to accent it with either just some black, or if the color works, we'll add some color. So here's basically a ground battery wire that we just wrap with black. Nice clean look. Here is the Hyper 8's wire harness. So we use the flame retardant black and red. Clean look, gives it a nice accent. This is the starter cable off the Hyper 8 as well. Just a number of options to make any project, any wiring project super clean. We use it all the time. I usually finish the ends with a little electrical tape to hold it there, and then some shrink tube. One quick tip that I'd like to add in this video is using a hot knife is world changer when it comes to braided sleeving. But if you take normal Flexco PET and you try to cut it with scissors, what happens is you end up with a frayed end, and that fray will start to grow and give you problems. With a hot knife, if you want to cut it, hot knife is on, you just run it over it, and what happens is that heat sears the end so it doesn't fray. So you'll get way more life out of this. You won't have so much scrap when you use a hot knife. So I would strongly encourage any project you have that has some need for wire sleeving. I highly recommend going to wirecare.com, pick out your favorite color, type. They have flame resistant stuff, they have heat resistant stuff. Like we just went over a bunch of options. There's hundreds more. And then scoop up yourself a hot knife so that you can make your job a lot easier. Thanks for tuning in.